Yep.
So, and this year, one of the things that I did somehow envision is that I'm gonna move to a new house, a new place. That's one. Isa doon. Tapos yung ini-envision ko na
Sino kasama mo dun sa new house?
magiging actor ako sa
Ayun.
television. So,
Actor ka naman na to begin with.
Hindi.
Diba?
Pero iba pa rin yung
Paano? Sige nga, sample
nakatingin
nga,
ka sa
sample.
camera na ganyan.
Sample nagsasabi ka ng Happy New Year in a sad way. Sad. Sad way, Dapat may music to.
Happy New Year.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Tawag na naman. Ba't naman yun? Diba?
And then you know
Ano
what?
kaya, no? You're having sex and that plays on your phone. Meow, 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 meow.
And then you know what? Something really exciting. We did mention this last year's episode natin. May chance kang maging artista on the show.
Yes!
Yeah. Kaya, Rico, gawin mo na. I'm the director kasi dream ko maging director eh. So, okay, say your New Year's resolution in a sad way.
Gusto ko magkabahay.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow.
Ibabahay kita. At araw-araw, babayuhin kita.
Sad nga eh.
Ay, sorry, uso.
Sad.
Uso VMAX.
Sige, ganito. Viva Max.
VMX.
So
VMX.
sexy. New Year's resolution in a very sexy way.
Alam mo,
Yung mga audience natin, di makalunok ng pagkain.
Cringe, no?
Ano? Paano?
naramdaman pa yan. Tumigas ba?
May lalaki kausap mo?
Hindi, babae. Yung nipples, di ba? Yung nipples. Tama, di ba? How do you say if it's a nipple?
Sige nga. In a happy way. Paano mo actingin yun? Happy ha? Masaya.
Uy, pare. Uy, girl. You know what I'm saying? Bahay na tayo. Handa ka na ba mag-live-in?
Yun na yun, happy?
Yun, happy na yun.
Ay, wow.
Ano gusto mo?
Happy.
Yes, hindi ako happy person. I'm a happy person, pero chill lang.
Hindi kasi yung VTR acting dati, di ba?
Oo.
Merong happy, merong nanalo ng
Oo,
1 million
yung
happy.
sabihin mo yung yummy in a sad way. Di ba ganun yung mga VTR?
O, sa ganito.
Okay,
Kung
okay.
mag-VTR
Sabihin mo
tayo
yung
ngayon,
yummy in a sad way.
sa
Yummy.
2024.
Yummy lang, one word lang,
Wala.
one word.
Let's go.
Oo.
Sad.
Sad, yummy.
Yummy.
Thinking.
Yummy.
Excited.
Yummy.
Happy.
Yummy.
Nanalo ng 1 million.
Yummy.
Wow, yun yung
Ay,
yummy mo.
Hindi
Kasi-
ako naniniwala.
Okay.
Okay.
Nalilibugan way
pupuntahan.
yummy. Nalilibugan way yummy.
Yummy. O, so ganito, VTR nga tayo ngayon. Kayong dalawa. I mean, these guys that are watching.
Ay,
are like
wala. Wag mo kami
90%
i-challenge.
men.
Buhay namin yan eh. Sorry.
Yummy na nahuli, nakabit ka.
Yummy. 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 Yummy.
Yaming patago.
Yummy.
Yaming nilabasan.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yummy on top.
Yummy.
Yuming,
Yummy.
yuming bottom.
Yummy. 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 Yummy.
Okay, the shot. clearly
PB's
worked.
turn. PB's
your
turn.
turn.
PB's
Your
turn.
turn.
Next tayo.
No. Wala magpapas
Yeah,
dito.
game.
Yummy. Rico, go.
Best supporting actress. Go. Yummy na may scandal.
Yummy.
Wow.
Ang virgin. Ang virgin.
Don't put
Hoy,
me on the
PB.
spot.
Nanalo ka ng award ha. Ayusin mo yan.
Hindi, nominated
Go,
na,
go.
guys.
Ano next? Yummy na happy. Happy.
Yummy.
Yummy on top.
I can tell you. I can tell you. I can tell you the reality of this.
Yummy on top.
Yummy on top.
Yummy on top.
Yummy on top. Yummy on top. Go.
Yummy on top.
Go, yummy on top. Go, go. Next tayo, guys. Go, go,
Ay,
go.
hindi pwede.
Yummy on top.
Manalo
Yummy
ka
on
dito.
top. Yummy
Wala
on top.
magpapas.
Go.
Yummy.
Ito yan. Mali yun. Okay mo yun. Yummy on top.
Paano, Rico?
Yummy on top, go.
Gagawin mo yung Phoebe.
Go, go.
Yummy on top.
Ay, di ba pagod ka na?
O, yummy na bottom. Yummy na bottom. Yummy na bottom.
On the camera. Go.
Yummy.
Parang Vanilla Sky.
Parang roller coaster eh, no? Parang
O, yummy nung nasira yung bed nyo.
Moving on, guys. Baka
Yummy nung nasira yung bed nyo.
Oh, sira yung bed. Yummy, go.
Yummy. Inuga lahat.